I think I want to talk to my younger self or to a girl who might need it. You don't have to do charity work to receive love. And I think that's something that I want to just put out there in this world. You don't have to work to receive love. You are already love. You embody love, and you are already loved more than you know. What brought this upon is I was thinking about college, and I remember I don't know, like I was talking about how I didn't really have friends, and I was trying to make friends or try to be more liked or more loved. I remember I cleaned my side of the bathroom. Well, the bathroom was kind of nasty, you know, 4 girls living in this bathroom. It was kind of nasty, so I cleaned it up. But I think I cleaned it up because it was dirty, but also because I wanted to be liked more. And I noticed a lot of my life I did things to force somebody to love me, to force somebody to like me. I've done these things because I want to receive love. I've been nice to you. I've been doing these things because I wanted to receive love. Not realizing that that is literally a form of manipulation. Like, I'm literally trying to get you to love me. So let me do this and let me do that to receive love, because I was coming from a point of depletion. You know, that's honestly how I felt like I grew up. If I wasn't a good girl, if I wasn't doing things, you know, there's no indicator that I am getting love. But when you go to God and you hear that He knows you by the strands of the hair on your head, when He loved you, you were loved before you were even conceived. You were loved before you were even a thought in anybody's head. You are loved. You don't have to bend it over. I'm just keeping it real. You don't have to bend it over for no man to receive love. You don't have to do charity work and work the hardest to receive love. When you come from a place, and I think this has really become my piece and why I feel like my stature is a little bit different and I have more confidence in myself, is I am loved. I have love. I am love. God has already given me love. And sometimes I think about that song. If He watches over every sparrow, how much more does He love you? How much more does He love you? If He covers if He covers the lilies with beauty and splendor, how much more does He love you? How much more does He love you? You are so valued. You are so cared for. You are so beautiful. You are so special. Glory be to God. Don't let this world taint you into believing that you have to look a certain way, that you have to act a certain way, that you have to do certain things to be loved. Don't let these men tell you that you are not loved, because girl, your parents loved you. And guess what? Your parents loved you, if even, because I know some people come from different backgrounds. God loves you more than your parents did. You are so loved. You are so valued. You are so cherished. You are a true jewel of this earth. Do you understand that? That's why I'm just like, when you know you're loved, it does not matter. You don't have to do anything to receive this kind of love, to receive this type of grace, to receive this type of peace and mercy. You are truly loved, girl. And if nobody told you today, you are truly loved. You are truly loved. You don't need to do nothing to be loved. Sit there beautifully, loved one. You are loved. I love you, but God loves you more. And I just wanted to put that out there.